Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I am sharing a technique card, and this is a double point tulip card. It's actually just called a double point card, and I've seen these everywhere lately on Pinterest, and so I wanted to share it with you because it is super cute and fun to do. So it opens like this, and then you put your sentiment inside. But isn't that adorable? I love this tulips. I had to use this. I haven't been able to play with it, and so I pulled it out today, and this is the card I'm sharing with you. So I hope you enjoy it. It's really a fun technique, and it's really easy to do. So let's get started. All right, so for this, you are going to need, first of all, I'm using the Timeless Tulip stamp set. And then you're going to need a piece of card base. This is our bottom piece, and it's 5.5 by 4.25, just like a regular card. This will fit in a regular envelope. And then you're going to need a piece of Whisper White that is 5.25 by 4. You'll need 2 pieces of Designer Series paper, and these are 3 inches by 4 inches. And this is what we're going to use to make our little points, and it's really easy to do, and I'll show you that in just a second. And then I am using our Stitch So Sweetly dies, which you know these are one of my friends, it is my friend, but it is one of my favorite. Right now it goes with the So Sentimental. It is a bundle, but you can buy the dies separately also. So I'm using the largest of the scalloped rectangle here. You know I've used them a ton already. I love it. So I'm going to cut out a piece of Granny Apple Green using that one. And then I'm also using my stitched rectangles. And I am using this one here, and it is 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches by 2.25 inches. And that's going to be what I'm going to stamp on. All right, so let's go ahead and just cut these pieces out first, and we'll get that done. So we're going to run these through the Big Shot. Let's do the scalloped one first. I love these dies. I've had so much fun creating with them. And if you follow me on Facebook, come join me on Thursdays at 6:30 p.m. Central Time, because I am going to do a little box using this die, and it's really cute. Alright, so here's our little scallop. Isn't it cute? And it's got the stitching as well, so that's why I love that, and I wanted to use the stitching on this for this rectangle. This is a great set as well. Alright, we're going to run this one through. And all our Big Shot work, that's all we're going to need for this. And there's our little piece we're going to stamp on. Alright, so let's go ahead and stamp first. So I am going to use Melon Mambo and Granny Apple Green. And we're going to stamp. This is one of our like 3D stamps, and it's gorgeous. This tulip, and I'm a huge fan of tulips, so it was really a great one for me. So let's go ahead and stamp this. I love this one. It's so, so cute. And then we're going to use some Granny Apple Green here that I just stick my fingers in, and I'll probably get it all over my paper. And then we're going to stamp the stem here. Messing things up. And then there's 2 leaves. Isn't that the prettiest flower? Super pretty. And then I'm going to use some Memento Tuxedo Black here, and we're going to do the sentiment. And it says, "What a beautiful difference a single life makes." I absolutely love this sentiment. I've used it before. It's so pretty. That's all, these are all from the same stamp set. All right, so that part is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere it to our little granny apple green piece, and we'll have that all ready to go. And I'll show you how to make the card. I love the granny apple green with the melon mambo too. It's really pretty. All right, so we'll set this aside now, and we'll get our pieces here. And these are our 2 designer series paper pieces. We are going to score these, and you are going to score them on this 3-inch side, and you're going to score it at 1 inch. And then we're going to do the other one the same way. And that's all we're scoring. All right, now make sure that if you're using a pattern, the pattern is going in the direction you want when you score it. And also whatever side you are going to be using. So this is the designer series paper I'm using, and I forgot to tell you which one this one is. It is the Pleased as Punch. This is one of the new coordination products they came out with February 4th. This paper is beautiful. I love this. It's so summery, so springy, and it's so fun. So yeah, you can get that now. It is available. And don't forget, Celebration is going on. So for every $50 you spend, you get a free product. All right, so we are going to fold on this 1-inch mark. And then we are going to bring this point to the center score mark there. You're not going to go down to that 1 inch, you're just going to the score mark, and then you're going to take this one and you're going to go to the score mark. Really easy. And we're going to do the same thing. You can use your bone folder too. I'm just using my nail for that. But we're going to do the same thing with this one. Because it's designer series paper and it's easy to fold. Alright, so we have those pieces. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some adhesive to hold these down. So we're going to just add some under each one of these. And this way it'll keep these down and out of the way. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do, we are going to take our piece of Whisper White. And this is how these are going to go on here. They're going to fold this way and then one on the bottom. Just like that. So let's add our adhesive to that. I don't know who designed this card originally, but I've seen a bunch of different people do it, so I don't know who to give credit to, but I really love it, and it's really easy to do. Okay, then this one we also need to put glue on. And I've also seen people glue the bottom one down, but I like that it folds up, because then you could sign it and sign it down here and they can see you're signing, but I like it better with it not glued down, but I've seen it glued down here. And then just the flap up on here. Alright, so then the next step we're going to do is we're going to adhere that to our piece of Melon Mambo. And I did overlap it a little bit right there, got it off-centered. So I'm just going to trim that. And then we're just going to center that on here. right, and now we're ready to add our beautiful piece right here. And what you're going to do is I just put adhesive at the top here, and I just use wet glue so I can move it where I wanted it. And then you're just going to lay this and center it in the middle of your piece. And then this was going to flip up like that. Isn't that pretty? And last but not least, this is retired, but it is our ombre ribbon, and it's in lemon lime twist. And it went really cute with this, but you can, if you want to put ribbon, you can put Whisper White, you can put Melon Mambo, you can do whatever you like. I just thought this one looked really cute on it, so I decided to use a little bit of my retired product. And some of you may already have this ribbon because it was so pretty. And I'm pretty sure, I'm almost 100% positive it is retired, but I'm not positive. So then we're going to just put the ribbon right there. And you don't even need the ribbon. This is so cute. You don't even have to add a ribbon to it, but I thought it just added that little bit of detail. All right, everyone, so there you have it. Isn't that cute? I hope you all have a great day. If you need any supplies, here's my new hostess code for February, and I guess I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.